Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to unbox and make a review about iRobot Roomba 892. Disclaimer, I bought this product by myself and not being sponsored by this. So let's get started. Okay guys, this what it looks inside. It has a cord wire for charging, I think. It has 4 can batteries, a filter, and this is a photocell sensors, I think. It detects walls and obstacles. Roomba slows down when it gets near them. And this is, I think, a spare brush. So let's take a look inside. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. iRobot Roomba 892 gold and black. Okay guys, let's try this. Wow, look at this guy. Wow. Guys, look at this. As you can see, the photocell sensor, the Roomba slow down when it gets near them. And when it's done for its work, the Roomba go back by itself in her own base. Good job! So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for your watching. Bye! Subscribe!